Hello guys, this is the second tutorial about Microsoft Word features. Today we will go through lists and through other paragraph features which I didn't mention in the last part. We have basically two types of lists. We have ordered list, it's starting with some number or letter from alphabet and are ordered, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and so go on. Also ABC, and it's ordered alongside the alphabet. We have unordered list, which basically every item starts with the same symbol. It can be bullet, it can be arrow, it depends on you. And only difference is between levels. First, I will teach you how to navigate through levels. You can navigate through levels with paragraph features. You can see here change list level. Now we have selected level 2 and I want to change it to 3. I select level 3 and now I want to change it back, so I go change list level and select level 2 again. We can also do it through keyboard. You can press tab to change level of your current item, and you can press shift plus tab to change level back or level up from level 2 to level 1, and lower from level 2 to level 3, as you can see here. We can also change what it will be shown before every item. For example, I select this item and I want to change it to the arrow. So as you can see, when I select my arrow, before every item, the symbol before every item changed to arrow from the square. And I want to, for example, change it to something different like this. So now it's changed again. I can do the same for the second level, for example for this. You can also pick your custom item. You will define new bullet and you can select symbol. As you can see, we have different symbols here. We will pick another arrow, which is the bold one, and create this symbol. As you can see, we have example how our new list will look. You can also change it to more right or centered, but I prefer left. You can also pick your own picture if you want, or define different font of your symbol, for example, to be more bold. Okay, now my arrows are even more bold. Now I select this symbol. As you can see, all my symbols change again at the level 2 to my bold arrow. But what if I want to change it to numbered list? Well, I have still selected item. I can create new list, or I can just create the number alignment. For example, I want this part to be aligned with the numbers like 1, 2, 3, and I click it. And as you can see, this is the first item and it has child's 1, 2, 3, and this is another item which is also child's 1, 2, 3 at second level. You can also do this here with the ABC, for example, and as you can see, the items changed according to what level are and how many parents they have. For example, these two items have one parent, so they are selected AB, and this item has also one parent and no other childs are in this parent, so there is just one A, and it's repeated because the different parents. So now we have the third list, which is the combine. A combine of these. This is my current list, how it looks like, and I can define my new styles because as you can see, there are some styles already defined. For example, this will change my levels, the first, second, and yeah, this item is not the first item, actually it's before it. So but these items change like 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, and so on. and I want to maybe change it to different list, for example 1 and A. So I click this. As you can see, again, the first item, second, third, and A, B, C, 1, E, and as the list is defined. Now we can define our new list style with this. We have first level, and we want to 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's okay. And do we want to start with 1? Maybe not. We want to start with 0, or we want to start with, let's say, 2. Let's say 0 for now. Now we want to change the items in the second part. So we check the second level, and we also can make it italic or underlined. And we doesn't want to be ABC, but 1, 2, 3, let's say. So this is our second level. And let's say I want to also change the third level. So, and it should be also bigger. Doesn't apply it. These numbers. And we will try ABC. Change color for green one, for example. And now create this new list. So as you can see, my new list is applied and it's numbered from 0. So the first item before this 0. Okay. So this with the lists. You can also, there is one more thing I forget. You can also change the list level with these two buttons. You can change the level to the lower level, this button, and change back with this button. As you can see, even next level and back, back and back. Very simple. Now, what this button does is that it orders your list according to alphabet. As you can see, all my list items are the same, so if I apply it now, nothing will change because it is alphabetically ordered. But for example, if I change this item to and remove the E, now the alphabetical order will be different. And when I set the sort, as you can see, my item goes at the end. So this how you can change your list. And now for paragraphs. Have here the paragraph. As you can see, when I press tab, it just moves the first line. So if you want to move the whole paragraph at one tab space, you go again with the increase intent. Click once, it increase all lines at one tab. Click twice, so do the same with twice, and back. And also, I should show you this. It's very important if you making some very serious document, because this part show you the hidden characters like spaces or enters. When I click on it, as you can see, all these characters shows that there is enter. These arrows shows that there is a tab. And these dots shows me there is a space. And for example, with these dots, now I can see how many spaces I have. For example, I have one space here at the start and I don't want to have it, so I remove it. And there are even 4 spaces between these two words, so I remove them also. So as you can see, this is a very easy way how you can check your document and remove redundant spaces or enters or something like that. And if your document is actually styled correctly. And more about this we can go through when I will talk about styles. So thank you guys for watching. This was everything for this part, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye.